Hey guys, it's Hillary and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how I made 100 Baekhyun meme photo cards along with some other Baekhyun pictures as well, but this tutorial can be used for any other of your favorite K-pop idols or K-pop groups. So without further ado, let's get started. Off, I use an app called InShot with the collage feature to make my Baekhyun meme photo cards, and by making the collage I'm able to put all the pictures I want to make the mini photo cards. As you can see here, I saved some pictures beforehand which I'll be putting into the template, and then afterwards I'm going to switch the canvas to a 2:3 ratio. If you are using InShot to make your collage or any other app to make the collage, please make sure that your ratio is set to 2:3 or at least a 4:6 dimension. This is important because when we are converting it into placing the order for the pictures, just want to make sure that the resolution is a-okay and you're all set to go. For this tutorial, I'm using Shutterfly to order my prints simply because I use this app quite often. So if you are using this app, go on ahead to the unlimited free prints and choose the 4:6 option. Once you have chosen your size, go on ahead and upload the collage that we made earlier into the app. And because we are making 100 photo cards, I'm gonna go on ahead and place 25 orders of the collage that we made, and then also 25 larger prints of Baekhyun because I love Baekhyun and he's really adorable. And you can also switch the option from glossy to matte, which I did, and that's totally up to preference on what type of material you want. And now that you've placed your order, we wait. My orders actually came in right on time, which I was pretty excited for. It came in two different envelopes, two very cool orange envelopes, one containing the 4:6s of Baekhyun, shown here. And voila! The moment we've been waiting for. So the pictures came in once again in a set of 25 that we ordered, and I want 25 of each of the 4 individual pictures, which is equivalent to 100 photo cards and 25 duplicates of each. And here I introduce you guys to my paper cutter, the love of my life, my soulmate, my significant other, my entire life, literally. I purchased the paper cutter from Texas, my trip to Texas last summer actually, at a shop called Daiso for $1. So it was quite a steal, quite a bargain, and gets the job done. But if you do not have a paper cutter and you have an X-Acto knife or just a pair of scissors, you're more than welcome to use that in the tutorial. I personally had the paper cutter, which is accessible to me, and I wanted to use a paper cutter because it's more accurate for me, and I like that I can use the grid to measure out where exactly to cut out the lines. But once again, if you have anything else to cut out the pictures, it works out just as fine, works out just as great, and it's gonna come out super awesome, I promise. And here we have the end result. So basically with 4 pictures, there are 25 duplicates. So it's equivalent to 100 photo cards, but it's basically 25 duplicates of 4 pictures. But I personally wanted to do Baekhyun's pictures because it's his birthday pretty soon, and this video is dedicated to Baekhyun. Baekhyun stan over here, yay! And I thought it was just, I don't know, I just really wanted to keep it in terms of like scrapbooking or just random gifts or just to put in my room. I really don't know what I'm gonna do with this, but I felt like making Baekhyun meme photo cards, so why not? I believe you should too. Once again, this video is dedicated to Baekhyun. Happy birthday, Baekhyun, my second lover, because my first lover will always be my paper cutter. So once again, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoy, and if you do decide to make some photo cards yourself, make sure to tag me in my Instagram, HHHBunnie, and also use the hashtag HHHBunnie to show me your pretty cool DIYs. And once again, I hope you guys stay safe, stay healthy as much as you possibly can during this time. We're all in this together, so let's get crafting, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!